Right, new at 9, a Hollywood dream home is hitting the market in Brentwood for $70 million. The Robert Taylor Ranch, a 112-acre estate in Mandeville Canyon, blends golden age history with modern luxury. Now, once home to film legends Robert Taylor of Billy the Kid fame and Barbara Stanwyck, this iconic property is now a private sanctuary. And tonight, I spoke to Rochelle Maize. She's the luxury real estate agent for the listing about what makes this property so special.
It's the largest property in the city of Los Angeles, so it's iconic in that sense by size. It's 112 acres of land, and the living structures are about 20,000 square feet. So that in itself is pretty unique. And if you think about it or put it into perspective, just that one property is 1% of Brentwood.
Originally built in 1950, it has been fully renovated with, as you heard her say, 20,000 square feet of living space. There are guest homes, a horse barn, and stunning canyon and ocean views. You see the little minis down below. Unfortunately, the horses do not come with the property.